In this Use Artemis review, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this app. If you have any questions, please comment them below, and I'll also leave a discounted link so you can always get your money's worth for Use Artemis. Use Artemis lets you find anyone's contact details, emails, and phone numbers. Once we log in, we come over to the dashboard. As we can see, we've got the prospecting platform, credit usage. We also have the options to use the LinkedIn extension, make a search with the prospecting platform, manage our saved prospects, import LinkedIn search results, which is currently in beta, and we've also got a what is coming soon section, which has got LinkedIn prospecting automation and cold email outreach tool. So I'm going to go right ahead and click on prospecting platform. This takes us over to this page here where we can search for prospects. So you can search by first name, last name, job title, country, industry, company name, and company country. So if I put in the job title structural engineer, and then for country I went for United Kingdom. Company country, I'll also set that as United Kingdom. And for industry, we could go for construction. So I'm going to go ahead and go on search prospects. So it didn't seem to find anything for that. I'm just going to try and change the results a little bit and see if that works a little bit better. Okay, so maybe that was a little bit niche. So I've gone for Darren Smith, who works in construction and is based in the UK. Gone on search prospects. And as we can see, that's brought up 4 results. We have a Darren Smith, who is a sales manager. And as we can see, we've got his email there and also his LinkedIn. If we click on there, it takes us over to his LinkedIn. We've also got a Darren Smith who's a construction director, Darren Smith who's a regional procedure manager, Darren Smith who's a director. Now, obviously, I could select all of these and export them as a CSV. That would then just save it on your computer. You could obviously select one and choose to add to list. You could go ahead and go on new list. And we could call that construction. And we could go ahead and click create there. And the first Darren Smith will be added to that list. Below prospecting, we also have bulk enrichment. Here is where you can drop a CSV file or obviously browse and get one from your computer. Obviously, all the results from that CSV file will come up below. Below there, we have domain search. Here is where we could search for a certain domain name. So I'm just going to go for something random. I've gone for mcdonalds.com. And as we can see, this has brought up loads of pages for people who work for McDonald's Corporation. We've got those same options there where we could select them, add them to a list, or export everyone to CSV. Below domain search, we also have email verifier, where you could check the validity of a certain email. So if I put my email in there, and as we can see, the email address comes back valid. This is good for checking if you were getting any spam email. You could just put the email in there and see if it's valid. Below dashboard, we also have lists. Here, as we can see, we've only got our one list, which is construction. We do have the option to delete this or create a new list. Below there, we have LinkedIn imports. This will list all our LinkedIn imports. And we can obviously create a list for them as well. We've also got the 2 campaigns which are coming soon, which is the LinkedIn campaign and cold emailing. And then we've also got some settings at the bottom and an FAQ. Remember as well, they do also have the LinkedIn extension, which you can install in the Chrome Web Store. And this will give you access to prospects' phone numbers and emails instantly from LinkedIn. And that's just about everything. So what did I think of Use Artemis? Well, Artemis made it really easy to find various contact details. It also included many different filters which could be set. I also really like how they had a LinkedIn extension, so you could find prospects from there. One small criticism I would say is when the prospects show up and it comes up with their link in, once you click on there, it should open in a new tab. Because it opens on the same tab, I did actually lose my search results and had to go back. But overall, I think it's a great application and I would definitely recommend. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.